chicos! Hey you guys, hey friends. Today I thought it'd be fun to go eat some vegan food. I went to Selva de Gatos. Here you can eat vegan food and pet cats. I mean, how cool is that? The outside of the building has these beautiful and psychedelic cat paintings, which are super fun and wild. And they have a menu that changes daily. And so there's always something different. When I walk by, I take a look at the sign to see what's cooking today. And inside, it's completely enclosed. They let you in, and then you have this beautiful garden and this little oasis in the middle of the city with cats. It's actually, I don't see a ton of cats in the city. I see them sporadically, and it's a nice place to actually be able to go and interact with them. You can play with them and pet them. They even had kittens. So it's a fun way to indulge in a little bit of nature amidst the city and enjoy some really delicious and affordable vegan cuisine. So it's a really great place that I highly recommend. If you're ever in Oaxaca, check it out. I believe they're open from 3 to 7 and closed on Tuesdays. But for me, it was a nice little dose of medicine and cats. I ordered the té helado de cítricos. It was a citrus iced tea that was really delicious, as well as taco adobados de picadillo, which is normally a fried fish taco, which I'll be 100% honest, I have tried it and it's absolutely delicious. And I've tried now this vegan version and I was blown away. I actually asked how they made it and they ended up using the flower of a hibiscus. So the hibiscus flower, or flor de jamaica, and I thought it was absolutely genius. And in fact, it was so fishy that my hands actually smelled like fish and I had to use hand sanitizer and wash them multiple times because whatever they did to season it was so effective. These tacos also came with some frijoles, some black beans, as well as a small salad, ensalada, and the beans, they were flavored so well. They had cilantro in there. They also had this amazing chimichurri sauce, which, oh, I wish I had the recipe for it. And as if that weren't enough food, I couldn't help but see the other table's dessert, and I asked them what their favorite was. She asked, do you like chocolate? And I said, yeah. And so she recommended a dessert that had cookies with chocolate chips in them, crumbled up amidst mango and a passion fruit cream. I mean, get out of town. I definitely ordered it and it was so good. I don't know exactly how they got that cream so creamy. I don't know if it was coconut based. I feel like it probably was, but my word, the food alone is worth going, even if you don't like cats, but hopefully you do because they are there. So I highly recommend going to this place and checking it out. It's definitely approved by me, and many others seem to be enjoying themselves as well. I hope you love this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you soon. Until then, I send you all my love and my good vibes, and I appreciate you being here and being patient with me as I sporadically release content. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.